Hey Crafty community, it's Ashley with Ashley's Creations, and I wanted to come on here and show you my next element for Dear Julie Julie's May Junk Journal Challenge, the May Mystery Mayhem Junk Journal Challenge 2023. Also, I wanted to let you know, if you guys wanted to check out other creators' videos of the challenge, you could type in the search engine hashtag MMMJJC23, and you should be able to find their videos. Again, that is hashtag MMMJJC23. You may also be able to find them on Instagram and Facebook, I think. Also, so today's element for me is a layered collage, and I needed to use Napkin. So let me show you what all I used. First of all, I used a little poster board that I had gotten from Dollar Tree, and I've used scrap. I used my napkin, of course, and I used scrap napkins that I had left over that I have used so far in the project, and I used scraps of my note sheet and of scrap paper and of some of Cara Brandon's images and some of my wrapping paper that I've been using as stamps, and some tickets and some Dear Julie Julie digital and some gift bag. And so I started gluing and layering, and I even used some school border in here, and I used a piece of the that I had took it off of the guest check that I used in my last element that I did, forget what it was called, the flip out page, where I used the ticket. So, I think it turned out pretty good. You guys let me know what you think. I love using these because I can make, like when I get to the end of my journal, I can, fill, those pockets that I don't have nothing in. I can cut and make tags and journaling cards, and it just makes it easier to fill. I also use fabric, some of my fabric pieces too. So I'm really excited to get to use this. And I just wanted to share with you. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I want to thank all the ones that have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. I appreciate it so much. If you are subscribed to my channel and haven't hit that notification bell, do so you don't miss any of my videos. Hit that thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this project. And I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.